We have two sides of our brain, the right side, which controls the creative process, and the left side, which is more analytical and thought-provoking. Tedco Toys has a new product called Sun Art Paper, which allows us to use both sides of our brain to create beautiful and inspiring art prints.
Sun Art Paper is a combination of science and creativity in one package. Science is found when the light-sensitive paper reacts with the sun's exposure, and the creative process starts when planning out the artistic image.
Start by selecting items such as leaves, flowers, or objects found around the house. For our demonstration, we are going to use an arrangement of flowers. Create a composition that will fit the size of paper from the Sun Art Paper kit. Kits come in three sizes, 8 by 10, 5 by 7, and 4 by 6 inches, and include everything you need to get started.
Assemble the items in this order. First, any stiff surface like cardboard for the bottom. This allows you to keep your creation portable. Second, Sun Art Paper, blue side up, keeping it away from the direct sunlight. Third, the chosen items in an artistic arrangement. Last, the plastic sheet which holds objects in place. You will need to peel off the protective sheet before using.
Now is where your inner scientist comes into play. Different levels of exposure to the sun will affect the way your sun art print will look when completed. Variables come into play, such as time of exposure and whether it's a cloudy or sunny day. Most exposures take anywhere from 1 to 3 minutes, but there is no correct answer. It is totally up to the artist. Your results will tell the real story. After exposing the sun art paper, wash it in cold water for about a minute. The water washes away elements of the paper that have been exposed, and before you know it, your vision is now an artistic reality.
Now it's time to evaluate your creativity. If your print looks too light, you have exposed it to the sun for too long. Too dark, and you have not exposed it long enough. Only through experimentation will you arrive at the optimum results. For demonstrative purposes, we are exposing 3 similar compositions to the sun at different time intervals. Although the prints look similar, you can see the difference in the richness of the blue color. Again, there are no right or wrong solutions. It's all in the eye of the creator.
More advanced creativity and experimentation can be achieved by using old film negatives to create art prints. Exposure to the sun using negatives is a process that can take several hours of exposure to penetrate the multiple layers of a film negative. However, the results can be quite satisfying. Complete instructions come with each sun art kit and cover additional subjects like drying, flattening, and achieving darker, richer prints.
Tedco Toys manufactures Sun Art Paper in Hagerstown, Indiana, which is one of only a few manufacturers of toys left in the United States. To get Sun Art Paper for yourself and learn about other cool science toys, visit www.tedcotoys.com. To find more cool science videos, type in Tedco in the search engine.